What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install short blinkers instead of those big ass blinkers that they give you on the CRF300l, just like this. So before and after. First of all, you remove these bolts like you've seen in the previous video when we installed the license plate holder. Then you just remove this one. And what I basically did, I did not install them permanently. I put on these little clips. So you strip the wire, you put a metal piece around it, like this, and then you just plug them in. And then you can put some shrinking tape when everything is put back together. That way you can keep it safe from the rain and mud and the wetness, or you can just plug them in like this and put some plastic or tape or something. It depends on how wet you will go, but that way it's protected, and I can always remove them and put the stock ones back without having to do too much stuff. You first put this little yellow thing on the wire, you put the wire through here, then it comes like this. You clamp this part on the wire, then you put some soldering on the wire and the piece, and you can just plug it in. But basically these are used, I found them on Amazon, and these are used to make some homemade plugs. So you make the plugs, you put everything in there, and you have a little plug like this. That's also nice, but with the CRF I'm not gonna do it like this. That's more from when you do your own plugs. But the first thing you have to do is just remove this one. So you unbolt the bolt right here, like this, and then you have the bolt. You don't forget to unplug the lights, because if you don't unplug them you will not be able to remove it. Then you pull it over here, like this. You pull the wires out. Then you have this one who is loose. You just kind of pull it out. Then you remove the plastic. And as you can see, I've been doing some mud stuff. So I'm just gonna clean that up real quick, and I'm gonna clean the inside also real quick. What I basically do is I take this plastic part that's gonna be on the outside of the bike. This is the outside. You have to put this one in here. So you just put it through. Whoop. Then you have a little thread coming out. You put the bolt back on, like this. Then you tighten it up as much as you can. Then you basically put the inside of the bike also on there. So you put your wire in here, and as you can see, you put everything back in there. Whoop. You can see it's holding on. You put the plastic like this on there, and you put everything back in like the original one, that you get the bolts over here. Then you just bolt it back on, and this will prevent it to go through, and that way you can lose your blinker. You get this of wire off like this, the other one too. What I like to do is torse them a bit. That way it's a sturdy piece. Then I put the little things on there like I previously showed you. You try not to lose them in your bike.
2 hours later.
Yeah, I'm still trying to find it. Ah! Don't try to drop it again. So we put this one over here, this one in there, and the yellow over here. Then you pinch these middle parts together, that way it's also holding on there. It's already kind of holding with the plastics over here, but now I'm just gonna put it some soldering stuff on here, that way you're sure it is really holding on there, like this. And on the other one, then you just plug the little hole on the little pin, like this. As you see, it's already holding pretty much. And the other one on there. Have to push a bit, and it's on there. So you can see. As you can see, it makes the bike way smoother on the back.